to my channel. My name is Omnia. This is OmneyasWish. I got these XXL coffin nails on, and we're gonna dip. So we're dipping with gel. Can't be dipping, especially with these long ass things on. So we got Salmon, pretty color. This is all Cascade Colorworks. Aloe. We got Lichen. This one. It's a fine glitter mix, and I may use Succulent, which is a chunkier one. These are shown in another video, like you can see them all. So I got a whole bunch of shit out, flowers, bling, decals. I don't know what I'm gonna do, but I want to do something that's worthy of these long ass freaking nails. So yeah, wish me luck, and we'll figure this out in the end and see how it comes out. All right, I'll catch you at the end. I'll probably put some music on or some shit. I don't know. Okay, so I wasn't going to do a voiceover, but here I am. I'm using gel, obviously, do the pour over method. I got this sped up. This video was well over an hour. I'm just dusting off the second coat, I think. I don't even show. I do a full nail of Salmon, right there on the ring finger. Those are the only two nails that are solid. This one, I was thinking about what I was gonna do while I was doing it. So I put base coat on the whole thing, cleansed it with alcohol, and like I wanted like not color blocking on this nail, more of a swirl, but it kind of got a mix of it. It's my first time trying it. There's no way in hell I could do this with dip liquids. I am too much of a sloth to do something like that. So it allows me time to clean up the lines a little bit before I put it into cure. So yeah, I was just kind of, I don't put anything up at the top near my cuticle area. I leave that blank, and I go in with more gel later on, just to have that clearness on the fleshy part, the nail part. I just wanted to swirl. I'm gonna put some of the glitter in there as well. The Lichen, whatever it is, and some Succulent in it too. There we go. Now for some glitters. I was having a hard time seeing because I'm putting clear on a clear tip. Here's where I should have used that brush that's off to the right. That's what it was there for. To be able to, you know, tap some glitter in. Because it's only going to stick to where the gel is. So, yeah. It's pretty self-explanatory. And then with my little subtitle things that I put down there. This one, I'm only going to put green at the top and green at the bottom and leave like a negative space in the middle because I got something special to put in there to encase it. And I like that I can wipe it away with alcohol because I'm not always good at making a straight line. If you heard that giggle, that's my daughter up watching TV in her room or something. She's watching something. Yeah, this is sped up by 8 times because it was so long. This took me all day. All day, all night. So this one I'm gonna do half sand. No, this side is gonna be aloe, and then the other side. This is a second coat. I didn't want the nails to bulk up too much. I only did 2 coats of color because I was going to be encapsulating the whole thing with builder gel anyways. Then I'm only going to go down a certain spot for Salmon, and then that bottom little square like color blocked area. This is more of a color block. I'll put the glitter. See, leaving a space for glitter. And it's pretty much self-explanatory, but it's sped up so fast because, like I said, I'm slow. I had no plans going into this mani. I just knew I wanted to use all of these, but I didn't want it to be a traditional dip mani because these nails were so long. These are the XXL from Nail Couture, so yeah, why just do, you know, a regular dip mani on them. Plus, I think the dip base would freaking dry by the time I got the whole thing coated, because these were so long. So yeah, we're just gonna sprinkle a little bit of Lichen on, and these are some dried flowers and a little bit like a rose gold kind of coppery. Is that oil leaf something? So I'm just gonna place that in that negative area. There's some like little leaves things, the green parts, to put in there. So, but I used builder gel in that area because I wanted it to be a little bit more squishy to hold on to it. And then I will cure it, come back and put another coat, and then I will add those flecks of foil. I could have also did the glitter in there, but I was hell-bent on those damn flowers, on using them while I had a chance with these long-ass nails. That's just me adding the foil. And where there was a little gap, fill it up. And then I'm just gonna like give good coats on this over where the glitter is ours. I'm gonna put base coat, cure that, and then go back in on those nails and really give them, you know, a couple coats of the builder gel, because I'm not doing like a top coat of clear or anything like that, because that would make it cloudy. And after that I cleanse it with alcohol so I can file shape and buff, which I go outside to do. I don't really use the e-file for it. Put a little foil glue down to make it tacky so I can use these rose gold things. You didn't need to see me struggle trying to get that off, although it wasn't as bad as the last time I used them. It actually went pretty smoothly. They're really pretty. I got those from Moira. I like that they're different widths. I can't say it. So I'm just gonna realign them, make sure they're nice and tight. The only thing I wish in hindsight is on the index finger where I put the stripe down the middle. I had wished I had put just a little tiny piece
base coated these two
where the glitter was.
Base coated,
like on that side.
I'll be using my jewelry gem shit.
So I think I'm done talking here, because now I'm talking over myself.
Swarovski's here.
Oh, I'll let you finish watching.
Peridot and crystal. And I got some rose gold things. My cat's going crazy because I've been in here all day. And I'll be back because this is a whole other hour and a half to do this. So I'll be back. These are them. I'm gonna hold judgment on whether I like them or not. Sometimes I like them when I'm done, but I think it's like I'm exhausted because it's 10 o'clock at night now. This turns, it's not spinning really quick because like I put a lot of these. These are all Swarovskis. This is not. Oh God, I can't even see. So, yeah. Salmon, Aloe, a little bit of Lichen, and Succulent. So tell me what you think down below. Is this too much? I'm still working on fucking everything. What the hell am I shitting? yeah, the crystal placement and just trying to do different things. So that's it, guys. I'll try to take some outside pics tomorrow. These bitches ain't going nowhere. So I'll take some pictures and I'll put them at the end of the video. Y'all have a good one. Remember, like, subscribe to all that YouTube shit.